Hello Bitsbrew, this is Craig from bitsbox.co.uk here, and in this video we're going to look at some more Wham Bam products. So in a previous video I looked at their palette and their slap well, and in this video we're going to look at some items that they sent us which are very useful when it comes to 3D printing and resin. So yeah, let's have a quick look at them. Okay, so this first tool we're going to look at is very useful if you have a failed print and you have any resin stuck to your vat. So when you run a tank clean, you can take this tool here, the Ultimate Vat Cleaner, and you sort of place it in the corner, apply a tiny little bit of pressure, and then we'll run our tank clean. I'll just hold it down with a little tiny bit of pressure, obviously not too much, you don't put any damage onto the FEP, and just hold this during the tank cleaning process, and then what should happen is we should be able to take that layer of resin off the bottom, so we don't need to clean out the tank at all. And you can see here it works a charm. So yeah, really happy with that. That's exactly what the tool's designed to do. Saves you having to take that vat out to get this layer off the bottom, so that is really cool. I know some people have done this with like old supports and stuff. I've never managed to get that to work, but this thing worked first time, so maybe it's just me, I don't know, but it's really useful. So here we have the slap caddy, and we'll have a quick look at that. So it's in there really good high quality silicone. This is great for catching any resin spills. You can mix resin in it, and yeah, I'm going to use it to put the slap caddy in here, and later on I'll show you how easy this thing is to clean. So we also have this massive funnel in the Ultimate toolkit. Again, it's that same high quality silicone, very easy to clean up, and yeah, really good if you want to pour resin back into the bottle. Of course you can just use any old plastic funnel for this, but what makes these great are just how easy they are to clean. You can damage a lot of products, or have to throw away a lot of things just from resin. And yeah, filter, you get these filters with a lot of printers, fits nicely in there. And if I can very carefully not knock it over, you see I've put it on the slap caddy as well, and I'm going to deliberately spill a little bit into the caddy as well, just to show how easy that'll be to clean up. So you can see I've just dripped a little bit. I managed to get a little bit on the printer, but that'll come off. So yeah, just drip a few little bits into the caddy. And we also have this scraper tool, and yeah, as you can see, that just scrapes the resin really nicely. Again, there's plastic scrapers you can get for this, but honestly this feels really good. I apologise I couldn't get it all in shot. It's very hard to film this, but yeah, having this really big funnel does make a difference. You can use it for all sorts of different bottles. Really good for this Crep B one. Crep B were kind enough to send us some of their resin. This bottle has quite a large opening on it, so it works really well with this bottle as well. So what a messy operation that was, but just a paper towel is all you need, and you can just wipe this resin away really easily, which is really good. So yeah, these are designed so the resin don't stick to them, so like even if you leave it for a bit, it's not going to cause any damage. And yeah, it just comes up perfect, and we're going to do the same thing with the caddy as well. And it really is just a case just wiping this away. And yeah, really cool if you've got like tools with resin on, you can leave them in here. Again, as I said, you could mix resins in here if you really wish to. It's got a little pouring thing on the corner. Yeah, just a useful little thing, just like their slap mats. And then lastly, they sent me the Ultimate Drip. Now, I'm not going to set this up because I don't really have anywhere on the wall to put it. You can see it's like wall mounted, and yeah, you put your vat in there and that pours in nicely and saves you any unwanted mess, and you can just leave it, getting every little last bit of resin out of your vat. Really handy. So it comes with a wall mounting screws, got a little spirit level, which is quite cute. And then yeah, it's amazing how it's all packaged into this tiny little thing, just in a little box. And yeah, this is a bracket that you essentially put your VAT on. And then we have the pieces of the frame here. Anyone who's used the old FDM printers will recognise this stuff. Is it like V frame or T frame, something like that? And it's got pieces in there for attaching it together, I assume. And yeah, there's a little mounting brackets. That one says Wham Bam on it as well, which is really cool. And yeah, again, I'll just show you on the box what it looks like all put together. Pretty straightforward. But yeah, I don't really have any wall space to use it, and I wouldn't see myself really using this very often. It was quite easy just to pour stuff back into the bottle without using it. But if you want to leave a vat and get it completely clean, and then it is recommended to just leave it and let gravity do the work. But that little scraper tool was really handy as well. And that's all it really there is to show, really. And they do what they do. They got their jobs. Quite straightforward. They're quite cheap as well. For the first 3 items that I showed you, they were just $32 for all of them, which is really good value. They're very high quality. $39 for the wall mount, so it's a bit more expensive. But if it's something that you would use quite a lot, then it's definitely recommended. But it's not something that I would use myself, just because I don't have wall space in that room, just none at all. But I do want to give a big thank you yet again for Wham Bam for sending these out. Making these videos was the least I could do for them, for their generosity. And yeah, hopefully some of you will watch and think, yeah, I'd quite like them tools as well. And if you are one of them people, I'll put an affiliate link down below, and there'll also be individual links to the products as well, just to make it easier for you to find them. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you all again in the next one. Thanks for watching.